y'all, what's going on? So I just want to come on here and check in real quick on my retightening update and my retightening process, because it's been a long process. For some reason, me and my mom both have been just procrastinating and not wanting to do this. So I'm like a couple of weeks past due, like it must get done like soon. So she has my hair sectioned off into parts that she can manage. This little tad bit, these two big twists are done, but this is not at the top here. This section is not done. I don't know what's going on with the back. I think that this might be done. This little piece back here may be done. I'm not sure. I'm ready to be through. So we are just working diligently to try to finish this. We've been working on my hair since like last Friday, and today is Friday. And my retightening video is supposed to go up on Sunday. So we're gonna see if that happens. It needs to happen. So I really hope that we can get it done in time. I am tired, but I feel like we probably will. It goes by pretty fast, like once you get started. So yeah, that's my little quick update for y'all. I just have a lot to say. So while I am chatting, I'm going to be fixing my nails because I painted my nails like the other day. They have already started to chip, not so much my left hand, but my right hand is chipping. It's very annoying because they're only 2 days old. So while I talk to y'all, I'm gonna be fixing my nails the bootleg way. I'm not gonna take this polish off. I'm just gonna paint over it a little bit because it's still like a fresh set. It's just kind of chipped a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. But basically, I just want to say that I am filming on a new camera, and I'm sure that y'all have, if y'all could tell, which I'm sure y'all probably could, my last couple of videos have been on my phone. Not that I think any of y'all care, but it has been, and the reason why is because my old camera broke. I broke it by accident. I was trying to screw this camera onto my ring light. The thing fell. The screen completely came off. I was holding it, the screen in one hand and the like body of the camera in the other hand. It was gone. So I took it to my uncle to see if he can fix it, because he can fix everything. He said, "Tykara, that thing is gone. You probably need to get a new one because the amount that it would take to repair the camera, you might as well just buy another one." And then my heart dropped because this camera is not cheap. So I was just like, what? Are you serious? But basically what had happened was the screws connecting this bottom part kind of came off. Like as you can see, this one is off right now. It's not supposed to do that, but both of them came loose. So I was holding the camera screen literally with my hands. The way that the Geek Squad at Best Buy described it, like that's a very important part, the part that snapped off, not just the screen itself, but like some kind of a motor issue. It snapped off, so I had to get a new one. You guys, so I'm filming on a new camera right now, and my bank account is on broke, but it's okay. Another thing that I want to tell y'all is that your girl, she got a job. So with this job came a lot of excitement and joy for me, because I have been looking for a job for a whole year now. Now granted, last year I wasn't looking that hard, but I was still looking. So this year I was really just going ham with filling out applications and like praying that somebody would hire me, because I have no experience, and I think that that's what was holding me back. When this company that I'm about to work for now gave me a chance and called me back, I was like, what? Like, they're calling me back? I'm so excited. So I appreciate that. Besides that, I think that that's all that has been new with me. I finished school. By finishing school, I mean I finished the 11th grade, so I'm on summer break and I'm about to be a senior. I'm about to be grown. I'm about to be in college soon. I hadn't even started doing my nails, and I said that's what I was gonna do. I can't find the specific colors that I used. Oh, so pretty much the yellow that I have on my hand, the yellow that I have on my hand, so my middle finger right there, this is by Sally Hansen. I'm holding it funny. This is by Sally Hansen. It's in the color Daisy Dukes. I also have on this LA Colors Color Last nail polish, and I'm trying to find the color. Does it not have a name? I don't know, but I'm using this LA Colors nail polish, and I'm also using this LA Colors nail polish. So those are like these two colors, but flipped like that. And then for that blue, I'm using this Insta Dry Sally Hansen, or Hansen, yeah, Hansen, yeah, Sally Hansen, and it's in the color Time is Money. I'm just gonna fix up my nails real quick and then clean up my bed because it looks a mess, and then I'll see y'all in the morning. So I don't think that I ever properly showed y'all, but I basically finished this whole wall. If you've seen before, it was looking a little ratchet because just this portion of it was done and not the other side, but I took it all the way up to the ceiling, and now I don't know if I want to continue it to this wall or if that'll be too much. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Hey y'all, guess what I'm doing? As we speak, I'm pulling up to the bank. I'm about to cash my first ever paycheck. I'm so excited, y'all. I got money. Alright, I need to find my banking information, my account information, so I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, I'm sweating so bad. I'm so nervous. Why am I sweating? Go inside the bank, cash my check, collect the money.
Don't forget to check.
Or at least a little bit. Okay, I almost forgot the check. Got it. See y'all a little bit. Alrighty, so I just got home and I cashed my first ever check. I also asked them about what would the process be like to start a retirement account, because I really wanted to open up my account today, but turns out you can't do that until you're 18, so I have to wait a few more months, like 5 more months. But I got my first job. I have a job at Panera. That's why I was able to cash my first check, because I got paid after 2 weeks of working. I painted my nails last night. I think they look okay. I've been really into the whole gradient thing lately. This time I kind of messed up because I wanted it to go like from white to like a light pink all the way into like a hot pink. But it turns out I didn't have the correct colors, so now this pink looks completely off from the rest. And then you won't believe it, but I painted my toes white. I never paint my toes white. I never even have like white nail polish, but I ended up painting them white this time, and it's kind of cute. I am in desperate need of cleaning up my room. Water bottles everywhere. Hey y'all, it's a whole new day. I'm about to go and get my second ear piercing right there and right there. Right now though, I need to change my clothes because I look a mess. Like this shirt on, up under it I have on a crop top. I don't know for what reason. And then I got these, well, these green pants that don't even go with anything. But the outfit that I'm about to put on, y'all gonna be shook because it's cute. or one of the pieces is really cute. It's this skirt that or not a skirt, these are shorts that I thrifted. I got these for $5, $4.99. Got these for $4.99, and they're really cute. They're so comfortable, and look at the patterns. Just look at it. Just look at that. Look. And it has like a zipper on the side, but I need to like alter it because it kind of fits me big around the waist, but I'm still gonna wear them today anyway because that's just what's going on. It's actually a good thing that I have on this crop top. Now I don't know what I want to wear because I brought this black crop, it's not a crop top, it's actually a bodysuit, and it has like the really skinny strings. That's what I was gonna wear with these shorts, but the white one kind of goes. And the only thing holding me back from wearing the white one was that I didn't have the pasties that I was talking about in one of my previous videos, but I went to Walmart and I found some. These are the breast pedals. I wish that, it says that it's in the color nude, but it's not my nude, so I was kind of salty about that, but I needed something, so we're gonna try these out today and see how well they work. I hope that they work. I got 3 packs of these. It says it comes with 2 pairs. I hope this works. Oh, wow. This is what they look like. And the back looks like that. So you can kind of see through it, but honestly I think that you can just get a band-aid, like one of those big ones to put on. It's the same thing. I thought that it would be a different texture, but it looks exactly like a band-aid. I think I'm probably gonna just go ahead and put on my black shirt because you probably won't be able to see straight through it like that. Give me some water real quick. The screen blurry, but it's super hot. Alright, y'all, it is so bright, but we're at Claire's and I'm about to go get my second ear piercing. How much is that piercing? $4.99. Oh.
You don't want me to warn you ahead of time?
Yeah, just tell me. I want me.
Okay. So, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
You gonna give her back her clips?
Oh. Alrighty, y'all, got my ears pierced. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of hurt a little bit. It was stinging. I couldn't decide if I wanted her to tell me when she was gonna pierce it or just do it, but I just decided to let her tell me because I might jump or something and mess it up. Now I'm about to go to TJ Maxx and try to find a wallet and a purse that's bigger than the one that I have because it's a struggle with all my cards and handling my money in the small amount of space. And I also want something that I can fit my camera in because I'm tired of just holding it. I really like this purse. This is cute. Just imagine. This will go with the outfit I have on right now. I'm looking for either a black purse or a brown purse. $38. I love this one. Not even just because of this, but look at it. It's black and brown and white. You can wear this with anything. All your staple colors right there in that one purse. So, basically this is what's going to happen. The bank account is looking a little skint right now after that ear piercing and the way that I want to budget my money. I'm not going to get a purse today, but I am going to try to find a wallet because I really need that probably more than I need a purse. Nah, I need both of them, but I really do need a wallet, so I'm just going to focus on looking for a wallet right now. Alrighty guys, so we just left TJ Maxx in hopes of looking for a purse or a wallet for me, but we didn't find one, so I think this is about it. This is all that my Paycheck can handle, so we're just gonna wait till the next one before I buy something else. But I do want to show y'all a close-up of what my ears look like before I get off. Now at first I thought that they did it wrong, and as you saw, it took them a long time to get the markings correct. They gave me some cleaning solution in here for me to clean my ears with 3 to 4 times a day, and she said for 3 weeks, and I can also change it whenever I have them in for 3 weeks. So that's it. That's all for the vlog today. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @tykara.ann, and also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. I'll see y'all in my next video, and I'm out.